everyone, Ruby Roo here, and this is my trusty pal Rubit, and we're back for some really exciting learning challenges. To the wheel, Rubit. There it is! Spinning the wheel, spinning the wheel. Science! Great! A science experiment? This is going to be so much fun. Bring it on. Oh, look at all these ingredients. What do we have here? We have vegetable oil, it seems. We have 2 empty water bottles. We have a cup of water. We have a little bowl of Alka-Seltzer tablets. Then we have food coloring in the front. Neat! Now what are we supposed to do with all of this, Rubit? Make your own lava lamp? That sounds incredible. We have to make a lava lamp based on the items here on the table. But Rubit, I think I'm gonna need your help on this one, little buddy. Okay, step 1. Fill the bottles 3/4 of the way with oil. You got it. Rubit, this is gonna be so much fun. Filling, filling, filling. 3/4 of the way, Rubit. Okay, I think we did it. Next step, fill the remaining portion of the bottle with water. Well, I've got my water. I just wish I had a funnel, you know? Wow, Rubit, you're a real pal, you know? Here we go. Filling up. Whoa. Look, the water, it's going to the bottom. That's so strange. I guess water and oil don't mix, right? Rubit, next is the food coloring. All right, Rubit, what's your favorite color? Red? Great choice. Here we go. Okay, now put the lid on the bottle and give it a little shake to make sure all the color spreads around evenly. Great! Now for the Alka-Seltzer tablets. You ready, Rubit? Are you sure? Okay, here we go. Putting in the tablet. Guess we'll have to break it in half. Here we go. Wow, this is so cool, Rubit. Just like an actual lava lamp. Look at all the bubbles. Neat. So what happens is you put in the tablets and they dissolve in the water and create a gas. But because the water and the oil don't mix, the bubbles rise up and we get all of these colorful bubbles. There we go. Mission accomplished. Great job, Rubit. Great job, friends at home. Join us again next time for more fun, learning, and science. Before we go, though, just one little thing before we hit the road. Bye, friends. We'll see you next time.